Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you the dimensions and design of the feed hopper for the crushing, dust removal, and rounding machine. We offer 2 feed inlet design options for customers to choose from. The machine shown in the video is equipped with a vertical upward feed inlet. This vertical structure allows for direct connection to a hopper, enabling a more continuous and automated feeding process. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.